Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Facebook professional mode option is not showing. Are you looking for a quick guide on how to fix professional mode not showing on your Facebook? Well, stay tuned because this video is for you. All right, so how to fix Facebook professional mode not showing. So the first fix is wait for Facebook professional mode released in your region. So not all the regions around the world have this feature. So check if your region has it. If it's not, well, you have to wait. Fix number two is to wait for 12 to 48 hours. So if Facebook professional mode is realized in your region and still not showing that, then there is a bug or glitch in Facebook's part. So you might want to wait for them to fix it. Fix number three is update your Facebook app. It's very self-explanatory. You might want to update your Facebook app, or even uninstall it and reinstall it, clear the cache, everything to check if it starts to work. And step four, report a problem under the help and support option. So open the Facebook app and take a screenshot of your profile and profile settings where the option is not showing up, and then go to Facebook homepage. Then click on the three lines or the burger icon, and scroll down to help and support, and then tap on report a problem. And then it's very straightforward. Just tell them what's going on, and they're gonna sort you out. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.